Welcome back to my channel, and here's another series of Linux tutorial. And today I'm going to show you some basic Linux command. And first you must log into our server. This is our newly installed server. Yes, in my first video I have shown you how to install the server. So we're gonna open it. I hope you did your installations too. So together we will do a practice in it. I'm gonna make it more bigger, get more visible. So here we go. So we will log in to the server. Give my password here. Okay, so let us open the terminal. Just right click and then here we go. And first command that I'm gonna show you pwd here. So pwd shows you the current working directory. I type here pwd and it shows that I am in home directory and meta folder. So let us assume that you wanted to go back to home. So you can do cd dot dot and you want to check again which where am I? What directory am I? You can say home. We're here. So that is the pwd command. The second command I will show you is the ls. This is for the listing. Example, when you are directory now and inside the home, you say list what is inside in the home in this directory. So it will show you the folder, the directory. You can say, can go that cd and the name of the folder. Okay. And then say list, give me the list of that folder. So here there are this, you can see desktop documents and another you can also do if you don't know, you can ls help. It will show you the parameters that you can do with that. Example, hyphen a, or this is for all, and then uppercase A, almost all, B, C, or LSD. You can do that directory. And okay, let's try it. So it shows there that ls and then the parameter. I have seen that a all. So here you can see all the list that is inside the folder or the directory. And you can also use okay, I don't want to write the long parameter. I will use the short parameter. So you can say lsa. The output is the same. And I have also seen d. You can so ls directory. So this one is you know that the folder that start in dot, all the folder that starts with the dot are hidden in Linux operating system. So you could also use the LSD like that. So the same output. This is the long parameter and the short parameter. So which one you prefer? You can decide what you want. And there's also another uh, parameter that you can do with the ls, like example ls, l, r, and another parameter, the t parameter. Anyway, you will know what is this mean when you read up here. Okay, it's t is sort by modification time. It is about the time, or the r. What is the r? Can show here. It's the meaning r reversed sort like that. So you can put many parameter as you want. Example, these are three parameters I use: lrt, and let us see what is the output. So in here you can see this this one, the folder owner and the time and the folder name. Okay, so and also here you can see the size of the folder, the time, the owner, and it is up to you what do you want to use. Okay, like that. And next, the date. Here you can see it is the day, which is Wednesday, and then November 25, the day, the month, the date, and the time, and the time zone, and then the year. So if you wanted to do changes, or do you want to change, okay, you will see this is not the right time. Okay, you will see I want to change it to December example. You can do this, and then you will start with the month. So you will say this is not November, so this is December, so we will set this 12, and then the date 25, the time 1734, and then the year 2020. So you can set like that, and then look, so we have changed the date. Okay, we will put it back to the current date. So we will say date again. Now is November. November 25, 25, 1735, 2020. Say that. I'm sorry. Must put the date. I misspelled it. We'll copy this one. Copy and then paste it. Okay, so this is how we're gonna use the date command. Another command that I'm gonna show you is the make mkdir, or the make directory. You can use this commands to to create a new directory, or you can also create one or more directory in this command mkdir. So let's try it. A directory named today. Okay, lesson today. Okay. Oh, and here we go. You can see now the directory lesson today, which we have created a while ago. So let's go to this directory. Okay, cd. So this is another command. This is the change directory. If you wanted to change the directory, so with pwd, I am at home in my directory. So I want to go to the lesson today. So I would say change directory lesson today. Okay, so I am here. When I do list, there is nothing here because this is empty directory. So what you're gonna do is to make a file inside a directory. So we have to use the command touch lesson today. Okay, file. Okay, because if you use this touch to make a file, right? So inside the directory, okay, touch file one. And if we do ll, you can see that there is a file one created. So in Linux, uppercase and lowercase really matters. Okay, let's say touch me. touch my Maita Sabio. So here I have created two different files with this. I have created Maita and Sabio, but I don't mean that. I didn't mean that. I want a folder which is Maita Sabio, right? So how are you gonna do that? You must say touch Maita, and then you must use the slash backslash Sabio, and here we go. You see? So this file is created. So this, I want this one. I want this file. Okay. Remember to use this backslash to join the two words. And also, I would say I would use a special characters, like for example the asterisk or the number sign or the exclamation point. You can also do that. How? If you say, okay, touch Sabio, um, this one, I want this one. Dollar sign, I want the plus sign. I want also the dollar sign, and then the P, and then I want the asterisk, and then I want the O. So it would prompt you into bash. Cannot create that file with that name. It says here, because you must do use a backslash here. So what you're gonna do is you must do use the let's copy it here to make it more easier for me. Copy, paste. Okay, so you're gonna use the backslash like that. Okay, I get this one. Backslash with the special characters, because if you use the backslash, it will read the special characters that you created. Okay, that's this one. So when you do ll or the list, okay, so it created now. So you can have this, but you must use the backslash. Okay, that's another thing. So clear. Du command is so this the du command is enables you to gain the disk usage. So this stands for disk usage. You can see the information quickly with this command, and it is best applied to a specific directories and allows many variations for customizing the output to meet your needs. You can use okay, you will see help me. Okay, here upper. Okay, so you will see the du and then the options and then the file. So if you would say du hyphen h, this is equivalent for different arguments, like h for human readable, or for s for summarize human readable, or what is it, m for megabyte, key parameters for kilobytes. So let us see. Mm, do du s hash, and then I say all the files here read or bring me the usage, disk usage of all the files in this directory, in this directory. So it gives you, okay, file one, this is the size, the name. So in here you can see 0 because the folder, the file that we have created here is empty. So that is 0. Okay, so if you would say, you can also say that, okay, just give me the size of this file. Okay, you will say du in megabyte. I want in megabyte, m, and then the name file1, the option. What is the name? Okay, the file1. Give me. So it will give you the total disk usage. Okay. So next is the df command. So abbreviation for disk free, or it is a standard Unix command used to display the amount of available disk space for a file system. Okay, so df. Okay, I don't know how to use this df. We will go to hyphen hyphen help. Help me. Okay, in here you can say the same. Df, use the df and the options, and then the file. Say example dfk. Okay, it will displace you into kilobytes and human readable. Okay, and here it gives the example here, like, okay, 200 m mega. Okay, df. Okay, this is the file. This is the free space here. You can you can see here the used, avail, the free space is in here, avail, and then the usage, and the name dfh. And also you could also say dfk. I don't want the gigabyte, I want kilobytes. It's more easier, so it will prompt you to like this. Okay, that's the df. Okay, here is another Linux command, the uptime command. Uptime. Information about how long your system has been running together with the current time, numbers of users, which running in that sessions. So you can have that um, informations. So here it is running this time and it is up for 20 minutes, and then there are 3 users, and then so on and so forth. So this is, you can also see here how many users are using, or how many users are using the system right now. You can see it from here. So another command is the last command. Last last command. Last. Say last. So last command, this is used to display the list of all users that has been logged in, or logged in your system. So you can see here that all of this, these are the user they are logging into. And also, if you're using a large system, it will show you if there's a remote user. You can see here the IP address also. So that is the last. You can use this to see, example, who rebooted the server. You can have the list. Okay, that's good. Another command is the who command. Who are you? Who? This is for the who is the user. So who am I? Say who am I? Who am I? Let's say you are user Maita. Let us check if it's telling the truth. So I'm gonna log into his root user now. Password. It requires a password, so give the password. So okay, you don't need sudo. Say su switch user and then root. So let us use the whoami command here. Whoami. Look, you see here, you're gonna see the root that you are a root user now. So this is to check that, okay, what user am I using? So you can check it from here. So we will go back to so ay, It's here. Who am I again? Okay, you are Maita. You can also check for the who help. Um, help me help. Okay, which parameters I'm gonna use? Okay, minus a for um who a, who r, who t, who a. So the same output with the who. Okay, command here to use to broadcast a message. Example, you will use a wall. This is wall. Say wall. Um, hello, 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 everyone. Every hello, everyone. Please disconnect from the system now. Admin. And broadcast it. So you use the command wall and then your broadcast message. Sorry. Your broadcast message and all the users that is connected to that system will automatically read the message. So they're gonna prompt in their windows or it will gonna prompt them and they can read all this. Hello everyone, please disconnect to the system. Okay, now admin. Okay, this is how you use the wall. Broadcasting a message. It's very nice. And okay, let's go to another directory. Let's change directory. Let's see what is inside the slash directory. So in the slash, you can see here the srv, the mnt, the media, the bin, sbin. So if I'm going to log in as a root user, cd slash and then ls lrt. So it will show the same files in my root and for the local users. Look at here the tmp. It is marked as green. At tmp here you can all the users can access this folder, this directory, and so you can see the tmp is green because it is shared with the all the users in that system. So root has an access with this and the local user has an access with this. If I'm the local user, I can make a file or I can put a file in this directory and I can delete it. But nobody from other user can delete my file. But the root. Only the root and the owner of the file can delete the file in the tmp under the tmp. And here there is etc. All the configurations are here. So we will go to the etc file. Let us see what is inside. Okay, here are the programs that are inside the etc folder.